water and there is sand. Oh, there are also coconut trees. Yeah, yeah, coconut. Yeah, you can take it. Yum, yum, yum. You want... Oh, there is apple here. You want to take the apple? I will take it. Mom. What are you doing? Wow. There is caterpillar inside the apple. This is caterpillar. These are big. Yeah, what is ulat in English? Caterpillar. They are sleeping. Sleepy tuh kan? Yeah, I can take it. Oh, yum. It's delicious. Do you like it? Do you like it? Mom. Do you like it, baby? You want to read book again or not? Okay, I will ask you some questions. If you like something, you can pick this picture, and you don't like it, you can pick this one. Like, dislike. Do you like beach? Like or dislike? Like itu suka, kalau I don't like nggak suka. I don't like it, aku nggak suka. Kalau I like it, aku suka. Do you like to go to the beach? Like or dislike? Like. Oh, you like to go to the beach. Do you like reading book? Like or